Hi, my name is Graziella, I'm 31 years old and I joined Methode in 2011. I started off as a machine operator where I spent my first 3 years doing both manual and automated tasks to reach shipment targets and deadlines. This helped me understand the whole process from a manufacturing point of view, which I think is crucial to maintain smooth operations. In the meantime, there were various opportunities to improve my career in Methode, so I grabbed the opportunity and I applied for the post of a clerical assistant within the MRO department. In this position, I was trained and brought in my understanding within purchasing and administration activities. Initially, I started converting requisitions and sending out orders to various suppliers. This was already a satisfying role, however, Methode keeps giving us opportunities every day to better our career. After 6 years in this role, I was promoted to my current position of a technical specialist. With the help of my mentors, I was able to enhance further my negotiation and communication skills. Methode is like a second home to me. Everything I know, I owe to the company and my colleagues. At Methode, we take pride in customer satisfaction and we all work together towards our goals in a good, healthy environment. I am very happy with my job and I look forward to more opportunities and success.